We focus on today's business news. My name is Wairum Mujenga. Now, Kenya has established direct trade linkages with the United Arab Emirates through corresponding special export zones in efforts to create organized market outlets for small-scale operators. Cooperatives and MSME Development Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelugui says Kenya has already identified 73 areas for strategic trade with several countries where special duty-free rules will apply, especially for manufacturing.
Kenya's exports to the UAE last year stood at $315.21 million, while imports from the Middle Eastern country was above $1.5 billion. Cooperative and MSME Development Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelugui says the government is keen on reducing the trade imbalance by creating direct business-to-business linkages and its trade partners.
We are keen to learn more from UAE in terms of sustainable agriculture, innovation and productive ways of SMEs to push us towards food secure position and resilient and sustainable businesses.
You can see the number of trade increase between both countries, and this is our target for the people in the private sector, and we're looking forward to continue this journey.
Chelugui says international manufacturers will be provided with favorable working conditions to ensure a self-sufficient local supply chain that allows for value addition of goods before exportation. In addition, he says with the special export zones, Kenya will be the regional gateway into the African market, and MSMEs should take advantage of the opportunities.
Companies here in Kenya find their way out in the globe because the companies we are partnering have already set base, they are already solid, they have already gotten access to the global market, and therefore for us it is easier for us to trade with them, and so that they can be able to take our products there.
Through this partnership we can have a quick way of uplifting our small and micro enterprises to big corporates by partnering with other businesses across our globe.
The Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Investment says small businesses should also look into e-commerce, as the digital economy is a sector of interest in trade expansion. Further, MSMEs will also be trained on the quality requirements in the UAE for imports to ensure products meet their standards.
We are working very closely now with regulators so that they can be able to meet the standards that are required by our partners out there, and at the same time acceptable standards by the users in the UAE market. And
as Kenya forages more into the global market, MSMEs are now being directly linked in order for the export market to grow. Hibak Said for Prime Edition.